Today, I want to talk to you about legal compensation planning. So let's say we are going to give Kate a 3% merit increase in January and a market increase amount of 1,200 in December. And how does that all pan out? Well, there you see the merit increase amount comes in here, adds to the monthly compensation there, and if these things haven't yet hit their max, they will be increased. Okay, perfect. Works nicely, and this is a nice template that you can use as to keep if you want to really audit somebody closely. But in reality, we want our contributors to use some sort of kind of bulk input schedule. So something like this, and again, these are highly customizable. But here we go. If you think about if someone was planning the pro bono department, they would only have a small list of officers to choose from, and potentially there's not too many people in those offices. In this particular one, only Lucy Lou. But if you are planning the litigation department, maybe a long list of officers that you could choose from and a lot of employees. Once you have your list, and it's very easy obviously to use the selection for 2024 forecast, all we need to do is flow down the list. So here's Kate Winslet. We can terminate in November, run down your list of people that you know, and if there's anybody that you know is leaving, you can just fill that in, and we're done. If we look at how that affects Kate Winslet individually, and it's going to affect everybody, every calculation is happening instantaneously and simultaneously. That data point has been added, and the calculation is updated. What other templates? Potentially something like this will be very, very useful, where people can run down these increases for each of their members of staff, and this could be really useful, capturing the comments. Why were these increases given? And we can then report on these comments at a later date. Very simple to get this kind of data in. Let's give everyone else 2%. So for the user, it's simple Excel functionality. Just copy and paste. And here we can decide if we're going to get a percentage increase or a value increase. Very easy for the contributor. And each individual contributor will have their own template, and they can choose their own department and office and populate this. And as you can see, this will be fairly easy to populate and quite quick.